Welcome back. Let's keep on learning some Chinese grammar here. As in our past lesson, we learned that in Chinese, we don't have any tense. If you want to describe something that is going to happen in the future, what can you say? In Chinese, we use time words or verbs to indicate an action in future. Let's see some examples here. I'm going to Shanghai tomorrow. What can you say? 明天我去上海。明天我去上海。So we use 明天, which means tomorrow, putting at the beginning of the sentence. We say 我去 means go. So we use 明天 to indicate that going to Shanghai, this action is going to happen in the future, which is tomorrow. I'm planning to learn yoga. We say 我准备学瑜伽。我准备学瑜伽。Here, 我 means I. 准备 means preparing. 学 means learn. Yoga, we say 瑜伽. So we can say that 准备 is a verb that we can use to indicate that learning 瑜伽 is an action is going to happen in the future. There are still some other verbs that we use to indicate that the action is going to happen in the future. For example, 计划 or 打算 are both used to express the meaning of planning. So we can say 我计划学瑜伽 or 我打算学瑜伽 can use to express the meaning that I'm planning to learn yoga.